Disasters. Disasters are man-made, but nature is God-made. God made everything as per His plan. And for living beings to live on this planet with happiness, prosperity, and well-being. But unfortunately, man has created his own disaster because of his name, fame, money, his greed, his false intelligence. He has not only destroyed the ecosystem of this planet, but he has also destroyed the well-being of our future generation, who will definitely curse us for whatever we have done this particular generation, for our future generations. And we cannot erase that unless and until we understand the consequences. Thank you.